Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is a special 30A edition of The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
We are over here today on the gorgeous beaches of South Walton over in Santa Rosa Beach, close to a new listing in Whites GulfView. Gorgeous 4-bedroom that's been renovated. Heather, why don't you tell us more about this gorgeous home?
Oh, absolutely renovated to the nines. It's on the end of a cul-de-sac.
Nice.
And it's got a private side. You've got views out to just the trees, but you're steps away from the sand. It's perfect.
Okay, and you can ride your bike. We're at a public beach access right now over in Seacrest.
Yeah, the foot of the street.
Yeah, so they can just ride their bike over,
Yep.
super close. And 4-bedroom house under $900,000 off 30A.
Unheard of.
That's
Unheard of.
absolutely unheard of.
Yeah.
The renovations of this home are gorgeous. You've got nice redone kitchen. You've got a gorgeous living space that has like a beautiful bay window.
And fireplace with it. It's
Okay,
perfect.
yes.
Nice wide windows. The nice foyer when you're walking in has herringbone style shiplap. It's kind of a neat touch.
Oh,
Yeah.
fancy.
Yes.
I also love the hardwood floors, and it has a cute little little front porch area. Just so cute. Can't beat it on 30A under 900,000.
That's right.
Make sure you check it out. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And don't forget, if you'd like more information about this, the listing description is actually below. You can click, look through all of the pictures, and don't forget to follow us on The Beach Show for future homes.